The 28th day of December, the year 2019, by Shire reckoning. Knoxville, Tennessee. Middle Earth. Boil and Boil Again, a brewer's tale by Benbow Brewing. Now where to begin? Ah, yes, concerning homebrewers. Homebrewers have been mashing and fermenting in the garages of the Shire for many years, quite content to ignore and be ignored by the world of the big beer. Middle-earth being, after all, full of strange brews beyond count, homebrewers must seem of little importance, being neither renowned as good decision-makers, nor counted amongst the very wise.
You're such an idiot.
In fact, it has been remarked by some that homebrewers' only real passion is for hops. A rather unfair observation, as we have also developed a keen interest in the brewing of stouts and the playing of video games. But where our hearts truly lie is in peace and quiet and good malted barley. For all brewers share a love of things that ferment. And yes, no doubt to others our ways seem quaint. But today of all days, it is brought home to me, it is no bad thing to celebrate a long boil.
So we're brewing an Imperial Stout. As you can see, the heat has been turned up. It's going well, some would say. So well, in fact, we've had to use our trusty old firm cap at least once. Probably twice. I don't know. I was watching Tottenham let me down again.
We foolishly decided to do a 5-hour boil on this Imperial Stout. And we thought, oh, this would be great if we start at 8 a.m. We could hit a boil by noon. Well, that didn't happen at all. We finished the mash a little after noon.
And it's probably 3:40 right now, and we're boiling and we're nowhere close to where we want to be, so see you later, daylight! We're finishing up in the dark, which is fitting.
Today we've got 3.5 pints with us because we have our old buddy, Brandon, our original member of the Funky Chicken Brewing Collective. Brandon is supposed to come on camera, but he doesn't want to be in the shot. That's Brandon's cue to pop up right here. Hey guys, I'm Brandon! Yeah, I'm gonna go make him be on the camera somehow or another.
Yep.
I'm gonna film him pooping.
You can...
I've got some Chuck Berry cams in the bathroom. So our original Imperial Stout that we brewed was called Brandon's Beard Imperial Stout.
He had a beard that rivaled Ben.
He had a beard that was bigger than mine. He grew his out for an entire year. This is only a half year of beard. This brew has got 30 pounds of grain. We had to be a little clever with our kettles. We mashed in the 15-gallon kettle, collected our first runnings in the 10-gallon kettle, collected the second runnings in a 5-gallon cooler, cleaned out this first kettle, undid all the tri-clamps, put in a different dip tube, took the false bottom out. It's our new boil kettle.
Also, after hearing all that, a little ambitious to think we'd be boiling by noon. Some minor hiccups during our brew day. So, we ran out of propane once. Outside of that, minimal interruptions from the interrupter. However, he's coming. He's on his way back.
So we're boiling down from 12 gallons to 7 gallons, pitched 6 gallons into the fermenter, hit 3 packs of USO5. What I want is a 12% plus Imperial Stout, no flavorings, just a big, chocolatey, roasted coffee, but all coming from the malt.
Either way, we're shooting for what should be a monstrous, beautiful beer. Hopefully it turns out that way.
Shuttleless! What do your elf eyes see?
The interrupter! He's gonna make us play Mario Kart.
I just picked Morton.
You're Larry, right?
Fine, I'm gonna be
Toadette. So sorry to rain. Notice that it's now nighttime, and we were originally hoping to be done by, I don't know, 2-3 hours ago. Anyway, the interrupter's over here narrating a story. Brandon is still refusing to be on camera. I promise he's here. I promise. By the way, we're cooling it down. It should be good to pitch these. And, I don't know. Hopefully it cools down quickly.
Yeah, I mean, like, he doesn't really do it. He's so fast. And you're not on the spot or anything. Just grab his hand.
We're not playing Mario Kart. We're playing Super Mario Bros. Deluxe. Toad's my favorite character.
Hi, Bo.
Yeah?
Nabbit's my most favorite, though.
Nabbit, you suck!
No! I want to take 6 from you.
I hate him!
Hi, Bo.
I hate him so bad!
Make sure you get your butthole. That's the way to wipe the butthole.
Did you teach him well? Because I couldn't drop Brandon off. You missed the conversation earlier where Brandon pees on the floor and someone suggested that I put kitty litter around the toilet. So
Poopin'! My only wish is to be poopin'.
I got that on camera. Let's go.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guys.